so today we're going to be reviewing the OBD2 diagnostic interface car diagnostic scanner. So I bought this on Amazon for $28.99. So the full name on Amazon is FYSMY OBD2 scanner and Wi-Fi car code reader, professional grade wireless Bluetooth 4.0 OBD2 diagnostic car scanner and reader tool, adapter check engine light diagnostic tool for iOS, Android, and Windows. So pretty long name, but I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, let's unbox it then. So this thing doesn't come with a manual. That's why there's this QR code, because you gotta scan it and download the application. So I guess it does iOS, Android, and Windows, but for this review I'm gonna be doing Android. So as you can see, here it is, just this simple little device. Kind of hard to get out of there. But yeah, look at it. It's pretty small, like, wow. But yeah, so let's go try it on the car. Alright guys, so before we get to the car, I just wanted to show you guys this, that you could download this on Google Play. This is the actual application that I'm using, or with the QR code it just sends you to their website, and pretty much it's going to be this one right here for Android. Wi-Fi OBD2 connection. They got other stuff here too. Car doctor, dash command. This is for iOS, so all these are for iOS. But you just click here, and then let's see, and then right there's the download button. You can do that on your phone, or just go on Google Play and then just install this. I believe on the Play Store they also have other apps. So let's see if I go back. Yep, they got other, but those are probably from other programs. But anyways guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. So if you guys were, I'll leave a link in the description for the Google Play link and also the website link if you guys are interested. Here to test out the OBD2, this little guy right here. So it's pretty compact, but let's try it out. I'm just gonna plug it in real quick. My car door. See, it goes down here. Every car is gonna be a little bit different, but okay, so it's plugged in. Let's see. Alright guys, so let's just check. Let's get my keys real quick. Turn it on. Alright, there we go, it's on. So you guys can see my car doesn't have any like lights, indicator lights that are showing the, you know, check engine or anything like that, or if it needs washer fluid and stuff like that. But anyways, we're in the app right now. This is how it looks like. Let's see, status. Let's click this top button on the right. Auto connect after launch. Bluetooth, search Bluetooth device. Allow. Whoa. Okay. It's allow Bluetooth devices. Oh, there we go, OBD2, there it is. The bottom, I don't know if that works. Okay, so we're doing that. Nothing's popping up yet. Ready for inspection, what the heck? Sensors, what the heck? Extras. Connectivity. I already set Bluetooth, it's already there, so I don't know why it's not connecting. What the heck? Adapters information. Vehicle fuel engine displacement. So you guys can see all that. Detect automatically. Fuel corrector. Preferences. Unit measurement. Screen lock, sensor logging. Let's go with help, I guess. Bluetooth. That's. Oh wait, hold up. Start. Let's see. Require a separate adapter to communicate. What? Oh shit. Plug in the adapter to your car's OBD2 port. This is for a 16-pin D-pin connector that will match the adapter. Should be located in or near the dashboard. I mean, it's already plugged in, so if you have Wi-Fi adapter, connect to the adapter Wi-Fi network from the phone setting. You have a Bluetooth adapter. Go there. So turn engine key to the on position or start the engine. Tap the connection button to open the connection. That's what I did. Start for the first time. I mean, we already did that. So Bluetooth adapter guide. I guess we'll just fucking download this PDF file. Sorry for my language, my bad. Apologize. Alright, let's see this. Sorry for wasting you guys' time. You guys can just skip to the later portion. Plug in the adapter, turn it in, install OBD. Okay, I already did that. Launch, configure the app, settings, connectivity, Bluetooth, connect to the adapter in car. Navigate back from the settings to status view, tap connect button, link icon, top right corner view. If pairing code for the adapter is requested, refer to the adapter user guide for code. Most common codes are 4 zeros or 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm gonna just try to, I mean, my Bluetooth is on. It shows your vehicle, so let's see. Oh wait, no, that was already, no, that was just my vehicle's Bluetooth. Let's go to details. Alright. Alright, here we go. It's pairing. So maybe it needs to pair with your actual phone's Bluetooth, not the application. Why isn't it? Disconnect from that. Let's see if I can connect to this. Oh, it's already paired, I guess. So. Alright. So let's go back to the app. Is anything popping up? No, nothing's popping up. What the heck? Oh, okay. Here we go. Connection. Okay. So you need a. My bad. You need to connect with your phone's Bluetooth first, and then go into here, and then connect. Okay, there we go. Oh wow. So the one thing with this is that fuel consumption, I guess. Okay, so fuel pressure only in Pro version. Yeah, intake, air temperature, engine coolant, only in Pro. So the intake, air temperature shows you that. Engine coolant, you can't click on none of those. You can't click on any of these things here. Trouble codes. Okay. Runtime, reset trouble codes. Okay, so I guess you can reset trouble codes here. Confirm. Freeze frame, BTC data. Driver frontal stage, deploy code. Okay, so these are the different codes, I guess. Generic body is all this. Generic. Description. What the heck? Manufacturer. Diagnostics. Alright. Only in Pro. Onboard diagnostic monitors. So only in Pro readiness monitors. So what that does. Misfires. Fuel system. This drive cycle. This drive cycle is incomplete. Incomplete. Complete. So There's that. Alright then, there's that. Onboard diagnostic monitor. Only in Pro. So let's see what. So rich to lean sensor threshold voltage. Okay, so it tells you all this for, well, I guess you gotta pay $3. That's how much you want to pay. Constant. Manufacturers. So let's see. I might do a video later on with, if I don't get the Pro version now, showing you what the Pro version offers for anyone interested in what the Pro version offers, because most of this looks like you need the Pro version. Look at that, all only in Pro. That kind of sucks. Alright then, sensors. Use the plug sign. The plug sign sensors, okay, that. Okay, allow. Disabled. Use the plus sign to manage instruction. Okay, there's the plus sign. Fuel systems. Just click all of them. You might as well. See what this thing does. It's a lot of, wow, that's a lot of options. Fuel type being utilized. Oh, that's cool though, fuel type being utilized. Okay, so we selected all of them. So a lot of these only in Pro version, of course. Did you guys see all that? Oh wow. So it shows me engine RPMs. What the heck? Oh well, yeah, it's about there. Well, a little bit more actually. So, well, no, not really. Actually, it's pretty close to there. Vehicle speed, of course it is. I'm about to start driving just to see if it actually stays only in Pro, only in Pro, only in Pro, only in Pro, only in Pro. Oh my god. Wow. Battery voltage. Wow. That's cool though. It shows you the battery voltage, fuel consumption. But this is all the stuff is going to show you if you have the Pro version. I want to see how much the Pro version cost, whether it's worth it or not. I mean, let's see. What's that? Transmission, engine control module, transmission, fuel pump, see the transmission. Oh, okay. Okay, only in Pro. So, let's see, fuel pump. Fuel pressure, control battery, okay. Yep, only in Pro version, that kind of sucks. Back to engine. Extras, adapter, connectivity, preferences, vehicle, upgrade, let's see, okay, there we go. Oh wow, so upgrade the limited version to the enhanced feature. Okay, so it looks like, okay, so that's the cool thing about this. It's actually a one-time payment. I mean, some of these other OBD sensors, which I'm not gonna buy because I might buy it later, but I'm gonna do a later video on it. But compare editions, let's see what this thing does. Let's see what it does. The free and the Pro. Okay, so this is what it tells you, the difference. So what it tells you with the Pro, this is all the stuff, pretty much the huge difference. I mean, yeah, with the Pro you do get a lot. Please notice that all features requires that your vehicle supports them too. Okay, but the cool thing is, at least it's a one-time payment. I'll probably will do a video later on if I ever get the Pro version. Let's see. But yeah, that's all that. Sensors, diagnostic. Can't really click on it. Oh, whoa. This drive cycle, readiness monitor. Alright, let's see. So it actually checks all this, so it's pretty cool, I guess. Trouble codes. Pending, permanent, confirmed. Reset trouble codes. See, I don't want to do that because there's no point. Freeze frame, there's none of that. But it tells you all those other codes though. Status. So this is pretty much it. Okay, there we go. So tells See the RPMs. So I'm gonna start driving just to see if this thing is actually true to what it says on there. But let's see what else I can check. I think that's it. Yes, then alright, let's check that. So transmission. None of this is available for some reason. So it doesn't show you any of this. Probably it doesn't even say pro version though. Fuel pump. Okay, there we go. So it's not available, but the fuel pressure is only in the pro version. But yeah, so alright guys, so I guess I'll start driving and we'll see how this thing is. But let's check the RPMs though. Let's see real quick. It's pretty close. So let's drive real quick. Oh, my door. It's not closed all the way. So, all right, let's check it. Yeah, it's keeping up with it, no lie. Oops.
This is a Chuki production.
Sorry if the wheel's bothering you guys. Okay. Put this thing on. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So, but yeah, it keeps up with it, the RPMs and the mileage. I mean, it's like maybe sometimes off by like 1, but I mean, what do you expect? It's not gonna be totally perfect, especially for the price. I mean, it's a pretty decent price. Totally, if I get the pro version, I'll definitely make another video showing you the pro stuff. What kind of stuff you can see with the pro version. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Hopefully you guys, this review was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, you know, your choice. And until next time, guys.